Anyhow, so fishing airflow, Skagit Scout, a 5116 Winston micro spey. I want to throw a little bigger fly, so I just grabbed a little bigger rod. I want something with a little more profile as I approach this pool. And I'm fishing 10 foot of T8. Man, that was a soft inside eat right there. Clunky. Shoot. I'm fishing OPST laser line. I think it's probably the best stuff out there as far as shooting goes. It shoots really, really nice. I'm going to change my presentation to a little bit of a broadside approach. I'm going to bump it across. They're not super grabby, but we've got enough grabs to keep it interesting. Oh, there's a grab. Gosh, come on. There he is. There he is. Alright. Ah, he feels pretty small, I'm not gonna lie. He is not a toad. But he's a fish nonetheless. Pretty little red side is what he is. Wet our hands. And he ate the back hook, which was nice. Nice little red side. All right. See you later, buddy. All right, let's get after his like grandfather or something. His big brother Bubba. Or that was a little hand act. So you heard me say there he is. Long before he actually, I mean, he grabbed the fly, nipped at it, and then he went ahead and took it. I just kept letting it swing until I could feel he was really on. And I went ahead and set the hook, and there you are. That's not what we're after, but it's, you know, beautiful fish nonetheless. There's another one. That's a little better fish. That's a little better fish right there. Nice. Okay. Kind of bulldogging. It might be a bull trout. Now, if this is a bull trout, I'm gonna land it relatively quick and just keep it in the water. I'm gonna keep that fish in the water, and I honestly I lose bull trout all the time. I don't know if it. Yeah, that's a 5-weight, pretty corked. Pretty corked. That's definitely a bull trout. And I haven't seen him yet, but I've, you know, had enough experience with bulls. Oh, see if I can get him up. Oh yeah, that's a bull. This is how they fight. They kind of bulldog you. Oh man. Come on, buddy.
It's too bad I didn't bring the net with me.
Oh, that's okay. They like to stay right on the bottom of the river. Beautiful bull trout. Again, I'm going to be quick with this guy because these are protected. And that is a toad. Wet my hands. They've got super slimy skin. Thank you, buddy. See you later. That's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. Again, we are not targeting those guys, but you do occasionally catch them, especially in these pools, these drop-offs. But you catch some big rainbows in here too, so we fish them. It's beautiful fish though.
Yeah, good thing you brought the 5-weight out.
Yeah, absolutely. That would have corked. That would have been difficult. And he ate that deep. I was swinging really deep, and it's interesting because that bull trout was a little further down into the hole, which is pretty typical. They, you know, if you have a drop off and it's like this, it's like the trout are kind of on that top end up here, and the bull trout are right there as it kind of flattens out. They're right here on that crease, and that's been my experience anyways. And again, I haven't caught a lot of them in here, but I've caught enough of them to know, sorta, kinda. Certainly not a bull trout genius, but you can see how pretty they are. They're really an impressive fish.